This is a Volvo VNL. I'm not sure what year it is, but the window, you can kind of tell it's scratched up, but it's also busted in a couple pieces right in there. It's kind of hard to tell. Anyway, this is one of the easiest mirrors you can possibly get off. There's no side latch, there's no bottom or top latch or anything like that. It's actually in the center there and it just slides in. Here is what the new one looks like. It slides into these tabs here. If you push it in the top and push up here, it's gonna stick up against the top, so you can't get it out that way. You have to push in at the bottom and then push it up. I don't know if I can really get that with one hand, but you've got to slide this up and then it will pop out the top. It takes a little bit of force, and there are those tabs there. These, be careful with. Pull them out. It doesn't really matter which order they go back on. These tabs can break. This is for the heated mirror. You don't want them to break inside there. You can use a flathead screwdriver if you want. I usually just use my hands. If they're gonna break, they're gonna break, and then you're gonna have to fish them out. There it is off, and there is the scratches and breaks. Make sure you've got the right orientation before you put the new one on. They're somewhat similar top to bottom, but they're a little skewed and they'll only go on one way. And make sure to leave the plastic on here until you're completely done. Go ahead and attach those back on, and then make sure the square is square with that, and then go ahead and slide it down. This part I'm just gonna have to say because I can't film this while I'm holding the camera with one hand. So you get it in there, make sure it is properly seated, and then push down and it will latch into place. You can push down from the top if you want. It's a little easier to get it back on than it was to take it off. It can feel on even when it's not, so be sure to shake it a little bit, give it a little bit of a tug on the bottom and the sides, and make sure it is on there completely. Then you can go ahead and push it up here. You're gonna have to do the final adjustments in the cab when you're sitting to make sure you can see what you need to see. But at this point, you can just go ahead and take this plastic off. We are done. You've replaced the mirror on a Volvo VNL, although I'm not sure what year this one is. I hope this helped somebody. If it did, please consider subscribing. Drive safe out there. Bye.